Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking travel Facebook story for your account using Canva. Go to the search bar, and in the search bar, type Travel Facebook Story. Now you'll see Canva templates appear. Go to the See All option and just look for templates you like. Maybe I'll go with this one. It's a paid version, but you can choose free options too. There are plenty of free templates available. I'll go with this one. Now customize the template. You can explore and customize any template you prefer. So what I'll do is, if I want to, now as you can see, I can modify anything I want. If I want to change or customize this text, I can. Here are the options for text customization. If I want to change the font, I can choose this one, or pick any font I like. There is also an option for changing the color of my text. If I want to make it bold, italic, or underlined, or something similar, these are the customization options available for text. Now, if I want to change or replace the image in the template, I need to go to Uploads and upload my own image. After that, I just need to... maybe I'll just upload an image. I'll just show you. I'll just copy this one and paste it here. For example, say I have uploaded from my PC. I'll just drag and drop here. Then I'll just resize and reposition my image. After that, I'll just again drag and drop for the background, or as needed. I'll just drag and drop and type it here like this. Or I can just leave a space like this, and then I'll just copy it and use it as a background. Just paste it in, and I will do it like this. Now I will adjust the transparency like this. You can modify as you like. If you want to make it like this, you can just modify anything you like. You can add your own images, your logo, text, branding colors, everything you want to add or adjust. When you're done and satisfied with your design, to download, rename your file, go to the Share option. Select Download, and save it as a PNG or any other available format. Just download, and your travel Facebook story is ready within a few minutes.